Terrible. Oh, orange! Bangladesh!
Oh, hell no, man.
Aiko? No! Ted, these packs are ass, bro. I'm gonna be honest, bro. This pack is dog shit. He's a striker, bro, and he has like 71 a pack. 75. This pack is ass, bro. Open it. The 88 plus mid-prom World Cup icon pack. Let's see. Let's go. Who the fuck is that? Oh my god. Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is Casamigo, bruh?
What? What the fuck?
Where's he from? Oh my gosh. He's from fucking you. Oh my goodness, bro. I just wasted my time, bro.